Alright, so you dropped $1,000 or more on your 15 Pro and you want to know which one is the best privacy glass screen protector. Well, good news, because I have the ZAGG Glass Elite Privacy 360, which is a privacy screen protector that has 4-way protection, whether it's portrait or landscape. Now this is $60. Now I know what you're gonna say, wow, that's really expensive for a screen protector, since you can probably pick one up on Amazon for super cheap or even at Five Below. But if you're looking for a quality, high protective screen protector, then my personal choice is gonna be the ZAGG Invisible Shield. So let's go ahead and open this up here. Now they also have different levels of screen protection as well, which I'll also link down below. Now the good thing about the ZAGG is that it does come with a limited lifetime warranty. So if you guys ever need to register that, make sure you guys go on their website to register. So let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging here. See, right off the bat, we have a nice Protect Better. And right inside the box, we're gonna have a nice little installation frame. We're gonna have a nice little reminder to register for your lifetime warranty. And over here we have a nice installation instruction on how to install it, but I'll show you guys how to do that in this video. So inside this envelope, we have the actual glass screen protector. And here it is. This is the $60 privacy screen protector here. Now I will say that this screen protector does feel nice and thick. Doesn't feel flimsy at all. And you can see here that it gets very dark side to side, and also portrait as well. And on this envelope we have all of our screen protector accessories over here that we're gonna need. Got a nice little microfiber cloth, got some cleaning wipes, and a dust removal sticker. Alright, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna first power off your 15 Pro. Go ahead and power that off. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take this cleaning wipe over here. This is an alcohol prep pad. It's gonna be a nice little wet pad, and we're gonna go on top of the screen. See, it's nice and wet. Then we're gonna take our microfiber cloth right over here, and we're going to wipe that across the screen. Got a nice little wipe. You wanna make sure there's no lints or any dust. So for the final step here, we're gonna take the dust removal sticker. I'm gonna take the larger side over here. I'm gonna go all across the screen to make sure there's no lint. You wanna make sure, double check. Make sure you guys take your time here, because you do only get one. And then we're gonna take the installation frame. We're gonna locate the little top arrow key right on top over here. And I'm going to match it up. All right, now we're ready to install the glass screen protector right over here. So the first thing we're gonna do here is we're gonna remove step number 1, which is going to reveal the adhesive side. All right, with that removed, we have some tabs right over here. As you can see, there are some hole punches right over here. And what we're gonna do is we're going to align it with the top holes. And then before we place it down, we're gonna line it up with these holes on the back here as well. All right, once you guys ensure a nice alignment, go ahead and start applying pressure at whichever side that you want. I'm gonna start from the top. And then we're gonna just run our finger right across. All right, and then we're gonna take this portion off. And then we're gonna see a few little bubbles right over here. So we're gonna take the microfiber cloth again, and we're going to use the cloth to apply some pressure. Don't be afraid to apply pressure using your fingernail or finger to dig in nice. As long as you have the microfiber cloth, you should be good. It's really hard to see the bubbles here because the screen protector is very dark. Alright, so after a few moments here, we have the screen protector successfully installed. We can see right on the top here where the dynamic island is, we can see that it has transparency over here, but it's still covered as well. Some privacy screen protectors might even have this portion naked, but I like how this one is a full screen protector over here, so the dynamic island is still protected. Now the reason for this is because not only does it allow your front facing camera to demonstrate clear imagery, but it also allows all the sensors on top, such as the Face ID sensor, to be fully transparent, so make sure that it was working perfectly. And I do like how it feels right off the bat. It's definitely on the thicker side as well. Let's go ahead and power this on. All right, so now we have our iPhone powered on. Now with any type of privacy screen protector, your phone is gonna look like it has very low brightness. This is just because the screen protector itself is very dark, so we are going to have to increase the brightness here. So now right off the bat, we have 360-degree coverage. So as long as you're seeing it from the front, you'll be able to see all the contents. But if somebody is on your side, they can't see exactly what's on the screen. Now on the camera, you might slightly pick it up just a little bit, but I will tell you that from my angle, I cannot see at all. Like, I cannot see the contents at all. And the same thing goes from top to bottom. So we can see from here, very private. From the bottom, also private. Let's go ahead and test the sensitivity of the screen. Feels nice and smooth. Pinch to zoom is also super buttery smooth. And as you can see from here, you're not going to be able to see anything at all. And again, depending on the camera, you might be able to pick up slightly what I'm doing here, but if you're trying to see what I'm doing, you're not going to be able to see at all. Now, one thing I also like about the screen protector is the amount of space that it leaves to ensure a lot of compatibility for cases. You can see that the screen protector finishes right over there and leaves just enough space here so that cases can tuck over it. And this is definitely what you want, especially if you're going to use a case on your iPhone. So all in all, guys, the ZAGG Glass Elite Privacy 360 is one of the best privacy screen protectors. Now, the cost of this is very, very high. I understand that. So there's a lot of screen protectors out there that are cheaper, but put in perspective that this iPhone 15 Pro costs a lot of money already. And if you want the best of the best, then I've always recommend ZAGG. I've installed so many screen protectors in the past, and time again, the ZAGG screen protectors have always been one of my favorites, simply because they're very easy to install. They offer amazing lifetime warranties, and if you're in the US at least, there are many ZAGG kiosks around at the malls. You can even go up to a ZAGG kiosk and have them replace your screen protector. Let's say if it got cracked, they can replace it for you for a very small fee. So that's really great to have. And you can also obviously go on their online website and be able to request a replacement if your screen protector ever gets broken or damaged. I'll also link down below a very, very inexpensive screen protector in case you guys are looking for something very, very, very low cost. I will also link another cost-effective screen protector. But if you want the best of the best, then definitely check out the ZAGG Glass Elite Privacy 360. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.